Hello, and welcome to a very quick unboxing video for this new Meepo skateboard I've got from China. I have already opened it because I've been trying to get used to riding it, but here's a quick run through of what comes in the box. So you get this bit of plastic. You notice there's a bit missing because I've used it to help waterproof the board. We'll talk about that in a bit. And there she is. Really nice new grip tape, obviously carrying handle. This skateboard is very heavy, as you might expect with the battery and everything. So the carrying handle is a bonus. However, it's still seriously heavy. So you can see dirt on the wheels where it's been used already, and you can see where I've changed some of the bushings just to make it slightly firmer, as I am a heavier rider. I'll just pop the board over here for a second. Okay, so quickly what you get in the box. They sent me the correct charging cable, which is good, British charging cable. Power adapter, charger. Yeah. This is the standard rate, cheapest V3 Meepo. They say it's a 3-hour charge to fill it up. Okay, this is the Meepo remote that comes with the V3. This is their MR remote. This has a screen on it. Hold down power, you can see it's got the kilometers per hour. It's got the odometer, it's got the battery level of the remote and the board once it's connected via Bluetooth. Forward mode or reverse, which it shows the maximum number of kilometers an hour you've done in this session. And then the ride mode, pro, low, mid, high, and then pro. You can hear it buzzing. That's because it's trying to connect via Bluetooth, but it's obviously the board's switched off at the moment. So hold it down. You can see you've got your speed control, forward and reverse there. And that's it. Oh, it comes with a lanyard which tightens here and clicks in place for your wrist. Okay, I'll wait over there. Right, what else do we have in the box? Okay, we have your standard skate tool. Just a cheapo skate tool, like you'd probably get for, I don't know, 7 or 8 quid on Amazon. Okay. There are some spare bushings. As standard, it comes with the 90s on the board. It also comes with some 96s and some 100s. As a fat bloke, I'll be putting the 100s on it. I've half put them on as it is. You get what appears to be a stack of business cards. I guess they're wanting us to give them to all our mates. And a Meepo rubber band bracelet. Oh, this is interesting. There's a charging cable, this is quite nice. USB at one end, looks like micro USB with 2 adapters for USB Type-C and for lightning cables for iPhone. So I guess because you can charge your phone off of the Meepo board, or whatever you want off the Meepo board, including the remote, this will let you charge anything. Right, quick look at the board. There's a well-known problem with Meepo boards out of the factory, which is that because of this M shape on the board, the seal that it comes with actually will easily let water and dust and other things in. So what everybody tends to do, is they cut a chunk off of the bit, because this is closed foam, it's perfectly good for waterproofing, so they cut it off and they make a little adapter, which I've done, which just runs around underneath here. You just unscrew it, stick it in, cinch it down, and then just cut off the excess. That's now waterproof. So yeah, I'd advise anyone to do that. Oh yeah, you can turn the board on just by riding it. It automatically turns on the minute it feels the wheels going round. I shall cover what it is like to ride in a future Fat Bloke on a Skateboard video, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.